Well, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. And I have another package that's beside me right here. But before we get into it, make sure you hit the subscribe button, you like this video, you turn on all those notifications, because so you won't miss another upload from me. I do see who subscribes and who's not, so make sure you ring that bell and get all notifications, because I actually do see who subscribes to all my channels. I do see them because your profile is on my subscriber list. So if you are not on the subscriber list, you're not subscribing. It only takes a couple minutes to sign up for it only takes a couple minutes to sign up for free, and yes, it is for free. You can sign up for free for a free account. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and ring the bell for all notifications. And don't say that you didn't get notified, because those emails always goes out to you. So make sure you be on the lookout for those emails that are sent to you. Make sure you are on the lookout for those emails, because I do see who subscribes and who's not. I actually do see it because I always check my analytics. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, you like this video, and click on all notifications. And I got this package right here, and we're going to open it on camera. So before I open it, make sure you follow me on Instagram, my main Instagram, my second Instagram, my Twitter. Make sure you follow me on my main Instagram profile, my second Instagram profile, my Likee community profile, where I'm posting a lot of reaction content on, and all those links will be down below in the description. So let's open it right now. Okay. Looks promising. Okay. So I bought the CM Punk Best in the World DVD. And we're gonna open it. We're gonna open the plastic and all that. And it's the sticker. Damn it. But it's okay. This I use a fork to open the packaging. I bought this CM Punk DVD because I actually don't have it, and I have it in my hands. And this is not the actual. It is a DVD. It is. But as you all can see, this the quill see-through case. But the original one, the original case, is not this one. It's the pure cover, spine, and back, and all that. So we're just gonna open it. Wow. So this is what it looks like. Oh, sorry, in a minute. I hit my, got that. So this is the UK version. This is the UK version of CM Punk Best in the World. Because as you can see, there's the 18 plus sticker. Yeah. So yeah, this movie had just gonna This movie has the first disc just has the documentary, the special features, and all the matches that CM Punk had in his career. That's for the first disc. I'm not gonna get to the other ones, I know that. So hang on a minute. I think can you see something wrong here? This DVD, this disc right here, disc 3, it's not supposed to be on this side. Because the documentary is for the disc 1. So do you see the difference between the US version or this version? Oh. There we go. So we got the back. And as you all can see, that's the 18 plus sticker, which I can't even watch it now, which is so dumb. Well, I have it. I got this version of it. Can't even watch it because it's got the 18 plus sticker on it. I don't know why. This is not the UK. I'm Canadian. And I bought the UK version of this DVD. What the heck, man? I don't buy the UK movies. I don't. Because they're made for the UK only. And I think that's the reason for this Creole seafood cover. It's the British version of this movie. That's what this looks like in. This is what this looks like in the British version of this DVD. Yeah. I do love it. I love the DVD. I love it. But this is not the original US version that I normally would buy. So I have the UK version. The other movies that I got, they're the same thing as this. Same thing. The 18 plus sticker. Why? I don't buy the UK DVDs. I'm Canadian. I should not be watching the 18 plus DVD. This is the 18 plus DVD. I'm not 18. I'm 13. But if you switch it around, that's my actual age. Yeah, so I got the CM Punk Best in the World DVD. This has a lot of content on it, with the first disc being the documentary, the special features, and the classic matches from the career of CM Punk. I bought it because I'm a huge CM Punk fan. That's what I bought it for. Yeah. So, and that's it for my final unboxing. If you want to see more of these videos, let me know down in the comments below. I would love to know what your thoughts are on my dual channel. If to some of you that didn't know, I have a dual channel that is based on short form videos and unboxing content, where I upload all my unboxing content on my dual channel. That's what the purpose of my dual channel is, bringing fun and entertainment back to YouTube. Because I know for some people, YouTube is, not up to the standards of everyone else. But I want to bring fun and entertainment back to YouTube. That's the purpose of this channel. To bring fun and entertainment to your eyes, for your eyes to be glued on your screen for all these videos that I'm giving out to you. If you are into fun and entertainment, this is the channel for you. This is the channel for this. If you love the fun and entertainment side of YouTube, check out my third channel with the link down below. I have my other channels, my second channel, my main channel, and my fourth channel. All those links will be down below in the description.